How's it going? I want you all to imagine you're at home this Saturday night relaxing. Suddenly you get a phone call. Your mom had a terrible fall and was admitted to the hospital for treatment. As she preps for recovery, you are now in charge of managing this crisis, finding a geriatric care provider to make sure she gets the help she needs in the months to come. So the big question is, where do you start? But even scared to think about what would happen if you made the wrong decision. My name is Michael Walsh. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Cariloop. My company is working tirelessly to be sure that when you get this call about your aging loved one, your family has a trusted resource they can count on to help make the best decision possible. Cariloop supplies the first web and mobile platform of its kind that allows seniors and families to access key information about available geriatric care providers and connect with them immediately. Think of us as Expedia or Yelp for the senior care industry. When you get that call late on Saturday night about your aging loved one, Cariloop gives you what no other platform out there can: complete transparency. Now, while we do face some competition in the market from companies like Caring.com or A Place for Mom, their outdated directory-style user experience will overwhelm you with the number of provider options they show you, most of which won't match up with what you need. In your time of crisis, these platforms haven't reduced the time, cost, or stress in helping you make a decision. But Cariloop has a better approach. Our platform holds your hand in this time of crisis and provides custom, personalized recommendations for you and your family. By gathering some information up front related to your family's budget, timeline, insurance, preferences, Cariloop steers you to the options that best line up with your family's situation. Once you've gone through this step-by-step process, you can see which providers have availability, how much they cost, read reviews, check out photos, videos, and much, much more. All of this is made possible by tearing down the barriers for geriatric care providers to share information and connect with you. Providers on Cariloop, which can include anything from assisted living, memory care, or home care, just to name a few, they're able to set up their virtual storefront in our system completely for free and update their information in real time, just as simply as any of us would update a Facebook profile. Cariloop is finally making it easy for geriatric care providers to manage their web and mobile presence and get powerful, quality results. This is what gives us a distinct advantage over our competition and allows you to make direct contact with these providers immediately. No more wasting days or weeks, leaving voicemails or waiting for calls back. Your mom needs help now, today, not next week. Cariloop makes this happen, bringing you and the correct providers together quickly, and all the while aggregating more business intelligence and data about this industry than any company out there ever has before. So exciting, right? But how do we make money? Well, as you make contact with providers, we package up that information and we sell it to the providers in our community as a highly qualified lead, or loop as we call it, at an average starting cost of $85. Now, as we work to establish ourselves in the marketplace, we expect we can be generating upwards of 120,000 loops and over $15 million in sales by the time we get to year 3. But this is just phase 1. When you consider the additional revenue streams we'll be tapping into once we have established ourselves, Cariloop presents a huge opportunity to both our current and future investors to consider here. In taking Cariloop to market, we'll first be deploying in the state of Texas and onboarding many of the 10,000 geriatric care providers that are here. By utilizing various media channels and establishing community and statewide partnerships, we'll be able to move quickly and reach some of the 360,000 aging loved ones, like your mom in this case, that are expected to go through this transition process in 2014. Our belief is that by taking this local approach first, we'll be better prepared to scale Cariloop regionally and nationally as we get into 2015 and 2016. One of the many reasons we're going to be so successful, we put together an incredible founding team and advisory board with well over 100 combined years experience in business, healthcare, and technology. And of course, we were privileged to be part of this incredible accelerator program with tons of mentors supporting us as we go forward. After a successful beta test here in Texas and already onboarding our first 80 provider customers, Cariloop is prepping to go live with its web and iOS platform at the beginning of 2014. Thanks to pilot commitments we've secured the last few months, we already have another 300 geriatric care providers signed on with us and ready to start buying loops from us on day 1. Our milestone for 2015, helping 4,000 families in the state of Texas and generating $1 million in sales before we launch Cariloop into 5 new markets in 2015. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come to finally make the geriatric care industry more accessible so that you can find the information you need late on a Saturday night when that dreaded phone call comes in. Cariloop is the solution to this problem, and with our incredible team and your help and support, together, we can alleviate this pain point once and for all. We look forward to visiting with you this afternoon. Thank you for being here. We really appreciate it. Have a good rest of the day.